This lesson name is Roots Support of the Plant. In this we are going to study these 2 points. Make a list of the functions of the roots. We are going to learn the functions of the roots. Observe that the roots of some plants are modified into food. We are eating many plants like that. Here they have given the picture of a plant. I am showing you direct one plant. This plant name is periwinkle, and this is the root system till here. This is the stem, and these are the leaves, and these are the branches, and here there is a bud. Here there is a flower. Now this is another flower, and these are the parts of a plant. I hope children you understood the real plant. This plant name is periwinkle. Here look at the 5 petals are there. These are the 5 petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 petals. And there is a bud. And these are the branches. And these are the leaves. This is a stem. And these are the roots. Okay. Where do the roots of a plant grow? Where it is growing? From the soil. Have you seen the roots of a plant? And these are the roots. Which plant roots have you seen? You have to observe and write here. What is the color of the root? And look at the color and observe and write here. Here you have to do this small experiment. And take 2 coconut shell or small tins of boxes. You have to feed with soil. In some you put ragi or paddy grains in one shell, and don't put anything on other shell. I hope you understood where you put the ragi and paddy grains, and when you are watering the plants after some days, the paddy or ragi grains germinate within a week. After seedlings grow bigger, invert both the shells. What you are going to observe? And where you put the ragi or paddy grain, and that plant will start to grow. Where you did not put any grain, and nothing will be there. Those what you observed, those 2 observations you have to write it. And look at here, there is a, what is that plant? You are looking at these fruits. This is a tomato plant. I brought tomato plant. I am showing you, and look at it. And this is the tomato plant. These are the tomato flowers. This is the tomato plant. Look at it. These are the, when you pluck the plant, we are finding so many bunch of roots and sticking the mud. It means the webs, it is here what it is, roots bind the soil particles together like a web. I hope you have observed in many when you are plucking the plant, here down, so much what you are finding, soil particles completely binding to the roots like a web. Spider web you have seen, no? Like that. And this supports the plant to stand straight on the ground. It means the roots, the soil particles are binding the roots, and it is supporting the plant to stand straight on the ground. And here one more experiment, small experiment. You have to take any type of seeds. You have to sow them into the garden or in your school or house, and saplings sprout after a few days. And pull out 2 such plants gently without damaging roots, and cut the root of one plant. It means you have to cut one plant, and another you have to keep as it is. Which plant you are going to see? Which plant will grow? When you cut the plant, that plant cannot grow. Which you keep the plant as it is, and that plant will start to grow. Here you see, make holes at the bottom of the pot so that the excess of water can be drained out. Fill both the pots with soil and place one plant in each pot. Keep them in the sunlight and pour sufficient water daily. After 2 or 3 days, observe changes in the plants. It means you are going to observe where you cut the roots of one plant, that plant cannot grow. Why it cannot grow? Because there is no roots. It is The roots are the support of a plant. How the uh, how the building is standing? There is a what it is there down? There is a foundation. It means that is called plinth and it is the support of the building. And for us also, our parents are also supporter of family. And this is these two experiments you have to do it. Here you should write the observations what you observe. Plants need water to grow. And here one more experiment. I am showing you that plant, and this plant is called a balsam plant. Look at the balsam plant. Here there are a few buds are there, and this stem is very delicate. It is looking like a pink or red. And here the experiment you are going to see. And fill with water, add to 2 or 3 drops of redding or any other color. Pull out balsam plant from the soil gently without damaging its root. And wash the roots of the plant and put the plant in the colored water. Keep it in the sunlight and observe. Now look at, this is the colored water. I did not keep, I don't have colored water. And see, the leaves are becoming some pink, and even the stem also started. And this observation compulsory all the children must do. This balsam plant, you get, this is the rainy season, you will get this plant. Try to find the balsam plant, and this is the balsam plant. Please check the plant very clearly. And you have to keep this plant in the colored water, and after some time you have to observe the roots, how it is forming. Even the leaves also will become color. You have to observe, and you should write it here. And here, notice box has given the roots absorb water and nutrients essential for the plant from the soil. Yes, no? The roots absorbing water and nutrients essential, very important for the plant from the soil. In the soil, what is there? Water is there and nutrients is there. And these roots are absorbing, and from the roots and it will start to supplying to the rest of the remaining parts of the plant. Water and nutrients reach the stem and leaves through the roots. And through these roots, the water is passing like this, stem, after stem, leaves, remaining parts are even buds, flower. I hope children, I have shown you three plants. One is the balsam plant, one is the tomato plant, another one is the periwinkle plant. I hope you understood all these 3 plants parts and their observation. And please do 3 experiments in your home. I hope you understood. Thank you, children.